Okay, what I've decided to do with my personal finance, I'm going to call it a project, was that I wanted to add something that helps the students better understand the process of quiz taking or test taking. I want them to understand that they are in control of their own learning by retaking quizzes or tests. They can take a test, and if they pass it and they're happy, they can just go ahead and move on and be done with it. But if they want to better their grade, then they can retake the quiz, but there's a process that they need to follow. And I just wanted to make sure that I organized that a little bit better for the students so that they understand better how to control their own learning. So, and with that, I guess I've had a couple different situations too. It's not always the student that fails that is retaking the quizzes. I'm having students that are have a 95% on something, but they want 100% on something, so
Mikey Felder and Keegan Loring.
So they'll redo the test because they want to get that 100%. They want everything right and everything done on it. So anyway, what I've done here is I think I've already showed you this, but I redid it after I talked to you guys about the map. There's a few things that needed to be changed, I saw, and I added a little color and whatnot to my quiz taking process flow chart so that so maybe it'll grab their attention. I don't know if this is the best place to put it, but this is where I've put it. So I have it here on the front page of the class, and I also have it right here. So if they click on it, and they can open it up in a new tab here also. So there's two different places that they can open that. So something else that's kind of tied to this that I'm trying to do a little bit different is my whole process of retaking quizzes. Some of these kids or students, they have to redo the whole entire quiz, and it takes them forever. And why should they redo the ones that they've already completed and got it correct? So I'm working with these kids, kind of experimenting with the kids here at the prep school, where I'm letting them write up or write a paragraph on the last or the problem they missed specifically, and then turning that into me through email. And it's kind of an experiment, but again, it's a way to let them personalize their learning. And I'm trying to help the kids out, the students out, as much as I possibly can. So once again, this is my personalized learning project that I'm turning in here. And I have it in two different places, and it explains everything just a little bit better. All right, thank you. You guys have a good weekend.